What if solving a maze was a race against time, and the contestants were robots? Imagine a miniature labyrinth, perfectly square, with walls that appear and disappear as if by magic. This isn't just a game, it's a high-stakes engineering showdown. Welcome to the world of micromouse, where tiny autonomous robots compete to find the center of a maze faster than any other. It's a spectacle of precision, speed, and artificial intelligence. These small machines push the boundaries of what's possible in robotics. A micromouse is a small self-contained robot, typically no larger than 16 centimeters square. Its sole purpose is to navigate an unknown maze, map it, and then find the fastest path to the center. This isn't remote control. These bots are entirely autonomous. The engineering behind these miniature marvels is astounding. They are packed with sensors, microcontrollers, and powerful motors. Every component is optimized for speed and efficiency, making them true marvels of compact design. At the core of every micromouse is a sophisticated pathfinding algorithm. When a robot enters the maze, it has no prior knowledge of the layout. It must explore, learn, and then execute. One common approach is the flood-fill algorithm. The robot assigns a numerical value to each cell, representing its distance from the goal. It then systematically explores, updating these values as it goes. This initial exploration phase is crucial. The robot maps the entire maze, cell by cell, wall by wall. It's like building a mental blueprint of its surroundings, all while moving forward. How does a robot remember the maze? It uses an internal memory map, a digital representation of the physical space. As its sensors detect walls, this map is updated in real time. Infrared sensors are typically used to detect walls on either side and in front. This data feeds directly into the robot's processing unit, allowing it to construct an accurate map of the maze's pathways. Once the maze is fully mapped, the robot has a complete understanding of its environment. It knows every turn, every dead end, and every open path. This knowledge is then used for the second, much faster, run. It's not just speed, it's intelligence evolving in real time. After the initial exploration, the robot calculates the optimal path. This isn't just any path, it's the shortest, most efficient route to the center. Then comes the high-speed run. The robot uses its stored map to navigate the maze at incredible velocities, often reaching speeds that blur its movements. It's a breathtaking display of precision and control. The robot continuously refines its path, learning from each run. It might discover a slightly faster turn angle or a more efficient acceleration profile. This iterative learning is key to shaving off precious milliseconds. These small robots mirror how the brain learns, through trial, error, and memory. Just like a human navigating a new environment, the micromouse explores, makes mistakes, and then uses that experience to improve. The process of mapping an unknown space, identifying obstacles, and finding an optimal route is fundamental to both artificial and biological intelligence. It's a testament to the power of iterative learning. The elegance lies in the simplicity of the underlying principles. Complex, intelligent behavior emerges from a set of well-defined rules and continuous feedback. It's a powerful lesson in problem solving. The lessons learned from micromouse competitions extend far beyond the maze walls. The algorithms and engineering principles are directly applicable to real-world autonomous systems. Think about self-driving cars navigating city streets, drones exploring disaster zones, or robotic vacuum cleaners mapping your home. The core challenges of perception, mapping, and pathfinding remain the same. These tiny robots are not just competing. They are pushing the boundaries of what autonomous systems can achieve. They are a proving ground for the next generation of AI and robotics. Every maze, robotic or human, is just a search for the fastest way to understanding. Whether it's a physical labyrinth or a complex problem, the journey involves exploration, learning, and optimization. The micromouse competition is more than just a race. It's a celebration of human ingenuity and the incredible potential of artificial intelligence. It reminds us that even the smallest challenges can lead to profound insights.